Hi, today we're going to learn how to create a new project on Zeyka.ai. It's actually pretty straightforward. You click on this button right here that says New Project. As soon as I click this button, it takes me to another screen where it's asking me to fill in my project details. There are all these fields that I'm required to fill. The first field says Enter Project Name. I'm making this 4 BHK house in New Delhi. So I'm just going to write 4 BHK New Delhi as the name. The second field says Select Project Type. If you click here, you'll see all these different project typologies listed here, like residential, commercial, hospitality, and others. I'm making a house, so I'll choose residential. Next, it's asking me to select the project area. It's got 4 options. Less than 2,000 square feet, between 2,000 and 5,000 square feet, 5,000 to 10,000 square feet, and finally more than 10,000 square feet. My project area is roughly 3,000 square feet, so I'll just select the between 2,000 and 5,000 square feet option. Next, Zeyka wants me to enter the project location, starting with which state my project is located in. It's got all the states in India mentioned here. I'll just select Delhi NCR. As soon as I select any state, it begins to show me all the cities in that particular state. I'll quickly select New Delhi. I click on Save Location. Now Zeyka wants me to save my project before I can proceed and start working. I'll just quickly create a new folder. I'll call it Product Demo Final. I click on Select Folder. And there it is. I've successfully created my first design project on Zeyka. Wasn't that really simple? Next up, learn how to import your SketchUp model into Zeyka and start working.